Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my DIY at-home facial for clear, radiant skin. First of all, I'm going in with my Glow Hub cleansing balm to melt away my makeup. I love this cleansing balm. It gets rid of all my makeup. It doesn't irritate my eyes. It doesn't sting. It melts makeup amazingly, and it's affordable. It's just a really good cleansing balm. And if you want clear skin, removing your makeup properly is so important. For my second cleanser, I'm going in with the Cerave SA Smoothing Cleanser. This cleanser contains salicylic acid, which is great for like really getting in your pores and getting out any dirt or grime. Whilst the cleanser is still on my face, I'm going in with my Amazon steamer to really open up my pores and get out any dirt and impurities that are left in there. And steaming your face is so relaxing, especially in the winter. It's nice and warm and it's hydrating. It's just a really nice step to do. Next, I'm going in with my Fourthray Beauty Detox Mask. I'm just applying this on my T-zone because that is my problem area. I have dry skin, so I don't want to put it all over my face and dry my skin out more. This is a really great detoxifying mask. It draws out all the impurities and leaves my skin feeling so clean. Once the pores are open and I've removed the mask, I'm going in with these spot extractor tweezers that I got from Amazon. These are amazing. The stuff that they get out of my pores is incredible. Do use these with caution though. Don't go ham at your skin because you'll do more damage than good. And here I am showing you the gunk. This is so satisfying but so gross all at the same time. Next, I'm going in with the Kylie Skin Toner. I really like this toner. It's really nice and light and hydrating. And after we've deep cleaned the pores, like it's nice to put some hydrating ingredients back into the skin. And here I am going in with the Shesido Hydrating Serum. I really like the serum. It's really hydrating and leaves my skin feeling so nice and plump. Here I am going in with some eye patches to hydrate and depuff my under eyes. I love eye patches. They're so hydrating. As I said, I have dry skin, so once we've done like a charcoal mask and stuff, I really do like to take the time to put the hydration back into my skin. So here I am going in with a sheet mask to really lock in hydration. I'm also applying the Makeup Revolution Vanilla Lip Mask to keep my lips plump and juicy. My skin is looking so much more hydrated and glowy after this step. I know some people say that sheet masks are pointless, but I really don't think they are. Next, I'm just applying a moisturiser. I'm using the Nudeskin Overnight Mask Moisturiser. I really like this. It's really hydrating, seals in all the products that I've just gone in with. After that, I'm going in with the PSA Midnight Courage Oil. This is such a nice oil. It really like lifts my skin and leaves it feeling firm and hydrated. I'm obsessed with it. Next, I'm just going in with my Geisha. This is a great thing to do in your facial routine. It helps lymphatic drainage and your body to remove the toxins from your face that can cause puffiness and swelling. So I love doing this. So here is how my skin looks after. It looks so much more glowy and clear. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.